Okay, so today we're carrying on with subtraction. Show me your subtraction arm. Well done. So again, subtraction, this is what we're looking at today. Can you remember any of the other words that we use that are the same as subtraction? So when we subtract, the numbers get smaller. Okay, we minus, we take away, and we find out the difference between the numbers, okay? So today, what I would like you to do is on a piece of paper, I'm gonna pop that up there, I would like you to draw a 10 frame, okay? So just draw a box. If you haven't got a ruler, you can use something or maybe ask your grown-up to draw it for you. Just make sure that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boxes. Doesn't matter if they're the same in size as long as you've got 10, okay? So I want you to draw your 10 frame. You can pause the video here if you need to. What I would also like you to do is to get 10 little objects, or if you haven't got anything small enough to fit on your 10 frame, I've just got some scrunched up bits of paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so pause the video here and make your 10 frame and scratch up your pieces of paper or find some small objects that would fit on your 10 frame. Okay, off you go. Okay, welcome back everybody. So we are going to start off with this number sentence. 5 take away 3. So let's have a look. What number do you think we need to put on our 10 frame? How many pieces of paper do we need to put on our 10 frame? That's right, we need to put 5 pieces of paper on our 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we've got 5 pieces of paper on our 10 frame. How many pieces of paper do we need to take away? 3. So let's take away our 3 pieces of paper. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what number do we have left? Let's count together. 1, 2. So write down the number 2 on your piece of paper. So we had 5, we took away 3, and we're left with 2. And as you can see, this number 2 is smaller than the number 5, because when we subtract, the numbers get smaller. Okay, let's do another one together. You can write down your number sentence with me as you go along if you like, to make sure that you don't forget what number you're subtracting. So let's start with the number 8 this time. Okay, so we have the number 8, and we're going to take away the number 4. So let's have a look. What number do we need to put on our 10 frame? How many pieces of paper? 8 pieces of paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got 8 pieces of paper on our 10 frame, and we're going to take away 4 pieces of paper. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and let's see how many we're left with. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And as you can see again, this number is smaller than this number, because when we subtract, the numbers are getting smaller. Okay, we're going to do one more together. Okay, we're going to have the number 5 this time, and we are going to take away number 2, and we're going to work out the difference between those two numbers. So let's put 5 pieces of paper on our 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to take away 2 of those bits of paper, and that's going to tell us the difference between the two numbers. And hopefully, if we do it right, this number will be smaller than this number. Let's see. 1, 2. So all together, 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 bits of paper. So we had 5, we've taken away 2, and we're left with 3. And yes, that number is smaller than that number. Well done, everyone, if you've got the same answer as me. So now, for your independent task, I would like you to write down these numbers. If you can't write them down, if you'd ask your adult to write them down for you, or you can pause the video to do it yourself. So we have 9, take away 5, 8 minus 4, 10, subtract 1, and 7, take away 4. If you need to use your 10 frame and your pieces of paper to help you, then that's absolutely fine. Don't forget to take a picture of your work and email it in so that I can give you those house points. Good luck!